Amid rising tensions over the strategic Strait of Hormuz, Iran's Supreme Leader's representative in India, Abdul Majid Hakim Elahi, on Sunday asserted that the crucial waterway belongs to all countries and voiced hope for a return to normalcy despite the ongoing conflict involving the United States. Speaking to reporters, Elahi emphasized that the strait had remained open prior to the conflict, allowing global trade to pass freely. However, he noted that the current war has created instability and insecurity in the region, restricting smooth maritime movement. He said Iran wants the passage to remain accessible, but acknowledged that the present situation remains volatile, with only limited ship movement currently taking place. Reacting to remarks by US President Donald Trump regarding possible action against vessels allegedly paying transit tolls to Iran, Elahi downplayed the likelihood of escalation. He maintained that Iran has no intention of shutting down the strait and expressed hope that global shipping routes would not suffer. He also attributed the current instability to recent developments, adding that efforts should be made to restore conditions to what they were before the conflict. Meanwhile, President Trump announced that the US Navy would block maritime traffic entering the Strait of Hormuz, signaling a sharp escalation in tensions. He further stated that American forces would intercept any vessel in international waters found to have paid transit charges to Tehran. In a post on Truth Social, Trump accused Iran of failing to honor its commitment to keep the strait open, claiming it had caused widespread disruption globally. He also dismissed Iran's naval capabilities, asserting that much of its fleet had been neutralized. The developments come after high-level talks in Islamabad failed to produce an agreement, leaving the fragile two-week ceasefire hanging in uncertainty.